Goa Board Class 12 Exam 2024 result declared, girls outshine boys with 88%. Andhra Pradesh Board SSC result, 86.69% students pass, girls outshine boys. Inspect Delhi government schools, identify infra gaps and rectify deficiencies, education debt to officials. Calcutta HC voids 2016 West Bengal SSC recruitment, nullifies 24,000 jobs. IIM Kozhikode, AI set up reading lounge at Calicut Airport. Good afternoon, warm welcome. You are watching the Education News Network, where you get the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Kiran Raj reporting from the Education News Network. Today's stories are: girls have outshone boys in the Class 12 exam of the Goa Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education, the results of which were declared on Sunday, an official said. Releasing the results of the Higher Secondary School Certificate Examination, Class 12, Board Chairman Bhagirath Shetty told reporters that 17,511 students had taken the examination, of which 14,884 passed, registering a passing percentage of nearly 85%. Compared to last year, he said, the passing percentage has dropped by about 10 points. The 2023 HSSC examination had seen 95.46%, he said. A total of 86.69% of students cleared the exam held last month. Out of 6,16,615 regular students who appeared in the exam, 5,34,574 students have passed. Out of them, 69.26% of students passed in the first division. The pass percentage in Class 10 exams last year was 72.26. Education Commissioner Suresh Kumar released the results of the Secondary School Certificate (SSC) public examinations. Girls outperformed the boys with a pass percentage of 89.17, Suresh Kumar said. In schools where there is no space, options like adding another floor with light-gauge steel-framed structure may be considered in consultation with PWD. Clubbing more than one class in a room is not a solution to space crunch. Rooms blocked as sports, NCC, NSS, admission, etc. must be vacated to make space for classes if there is a shortage of classrooms, as per the minutes of the meeting. Officials have also been directed to look for vacant land and use surplus infrastructure in adjoining MCD schools. In 2022, APIL in the HC had raised the issue of irregular classes in government schools in Northeast Delhi due to a space crunch. The Calcutta High Court on Monday declared as null and void the selection process for the state-level selection test 2016 SLST in West Bengal government-sponsored and aided schools. With this order, the hiring of approximately 24,000 teaching and non-teaching staff has been nullified. A division bench comprising Justices Debangasu Basat and MD Shabbar Rashidi also instructed the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) to conduct further investigations into the appointment process and present a report within 3 months. The court has also mandated that individuals involved in the invalidated appointments have to return their salaries within 4 weeks. IIM Kozhikode Director Debashish Chatterjee inaugurated a readers' lounge, Gyan Pankh, at the Calicut International Airport today. The reading lounge has been set up by IIM Kozhikode in partnership with the Airports Authority of India. At the inauguration ceremony, AI Calicut Director Seshadrivasam Suresh was also present. AI and IIM Kozhikode have taken the initiative to boost Kozhikode's image as the only city in India to have the UNESCO's City of Literature tag. IIM Kozhikode has set up a collection of around 350 books from across genres and multiple languages. The air-conditioned open premium lounge space provided free of cost by AI Calicut Reading Furniture. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.educationnewsnetwork. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.